guys, I missed you. So yeah, we took the month of March off, but we're back and I'm so excited to start making videos again, and I'm really excited for everyone else to start making videos. Excuse me if I look like shit right now, cause I'm about to go to school and I'm about to get ready, so I'll be ready in like 0.50 seconds. Wah! Alright, so weird lighting, I look yellow. Okay, so now I don't look like complete shit. So yeah, like I said, we stopped making videos in March, but we're back. So yay! I don't really have much vlog footage since we did stop in March, and I just didn't really think to record what I was doing. So you just are gonna see what I do on a day that I go to school. So